Hey folks, welcome back to the Etowah Chainsaw Museum. Today we got saw number 16 in the collection, a Stihl 076. And let's look it over, see what you think of it. It's got, I think a 41-inch bar on it. And it's got the little handguard that goes here. It's gone. And the manual override for the oiler. Little handle should be sticking up. It broke off. I got another one for it somewhere. Kind of lost it, but I'll find it and put it on. And you can't really see by the cover if it's 75 or 76, but 76 has the oil fill on the side, 75 on top. So it's 76. I don't think it really matters, but that's what this one is. And it's from the old days of heavy steel chainsaw. Spin him around here. And muffler cover's gone, which time the museum opens in 3 years, we'll have this old girl looking good. Plenty good. Have it cleaned up a little better than this, but we still got a little bit of cutting to do with this one, I think, because it's a nice old saw. And it's different from a modern saw. Look at it, you know how fat it is. It's a fat girl. Bars over on the side, but if you pick it up, just like that, see, it still balances. And that's why, it's got balance like an 070, something like that, and it runs cooler than a modern saw. It don't rev as high. It don't run as cool as an 070, but it's cooler than a 660. That's why the people in Philippines and Indonesia, down in South America, they still use these older saws for making lumber. Not cutting sideways like we do here, but up and down. And they like the old saws that balance. That's why you see them holding both hands just on the tail of it, because it kind of does better that way. Alright. This is a pretty good old saw. And I've had it several years, but sometime in its life it's been rebuilt, because the compression on this thing is ridiculous. Without the compression release, which is down here, you won't pull it. Or I won't anyway, not no more, since I got old and feeble. But anyway, you've seen the oiler, gas fill, air filter, choke. Still got the arrows. Sometimes you don't see these arrows no more, but choke down, which it's warm. We don't need that. Off is a down. Turn it on. Push compression release in. And this thing, one thing I like about it, it pulls. It don't rev high. It ain't like a modern saw. It don't rev. It don't even do 10. It don't do that, but it pulls, and it pulls hard. And it don't bog. If you got a dull chain, it's just gonna smoke the wood. It ain't gonna bog. So, all right. Let's see if we can crank it. See if I can crank it. fat, but everything here runs fat, so. Alright, there we have it. Sow number 16, Stihl 076. Thanks for watching.